Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the Roblox Auto Clicker for iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, reach Accessibility and scroll down until you find the Accessibility shortcut. Then find and mark a tick on the Switch control. Go back and select the Switch control option. Now tap on Switches and choose Add New Switch. After that, tap on the screen and select Full Screen. Select Tab and go back to the Receipts area. Here, create a new receipt and enter the name, such as Auto Clicker. Following that, tap on Assign a Switch and select Full Screen. You can choose a custom gesture and create a new gesture using your fingers. After that, go back to the Launch receipt and mark a tick on the Auto Clicker. Next, open the Roblox app on your iPhone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Select any game and you can start playing it. You can choose the gender and start using the Auto Clicker feature. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.